Okay, so this competition that I went to is kind of unusual in that the place I went to has 8 sides. Actually, not the venue itself, but you'll see later. And I think the name will probably give it away a bit. Yeah, let's get started. So, hotel review for the competition day. The bathroom looks good, although it kind of does look like my old house bathroom. Got a nice big bed over here. The TV looks really old. Nice table and lamp. Hey, it's 6 a.m. Let's leave the hotel for the competition. Honestly, I'm excited for the comp. This is the venue apparently. So it turns out that I apparently have to judge for 3x3, 2x2, and Scube. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you that I registered for Scube. I didn't even mention it in the competition video, but that's because I didn't have a Scube when I recorded that video, but I have one now. I still have absolutely no idea how to judge. Looks like I got a PB single on. So 3x3 went okay. I did get 2 over 20 solves, and I did get my PB single there, so I actually did start a PR streak, kinda. However, I got into 26th place, which is 1 place off from making it to 2nd round. So my next event isn't until after lunch break, so I decided to get McDonald's and eat some lunch there. It's probably because there wasn't anything else to eat. Time to judge 2x2. So for 2x2, I'm not really expecting much except to beat my average. Or maybe get a PB signal, I don't know. I need a better solve this time.
Oh wait, how did I get 0-6?
Honestly, I didn't really do that well this round. I got a 30-second solve because I messed up a PBL and I had to solve the layer again and do multiple OLLs and PLLs. So yeah, I got into 31st place with a 9-second average. Expected because there's people that literally solve it under 5 seconds. I'll get there someday. In this mystery event, the top 2 competitors for 3x3 one-handed get to compete in this event where they're gonna play a boxing match, but the competitors have to solve a Rubik's Cube one-handed while boxing. And they'll be given a really old speed cube that will probably pop if they turn way too fast or aggressively. So this is gonna be interesting. Okay, so the first match, actually I don't even know if this is the first match because my phone decided not to record for some reason, at least for the first half of it. But here we have a cube knockout, and this person won. And for the next one, it's not just the cubes being knocked out, now the competitors are. And another cube just got knocked out of one person's hand, and then they both fell. And then the person who won the last match won again.
So there's another thing about this. These are using the old Japanese color scheme, which none of them are
So yeah, the mystery event was pretty interesting. Time to judge Skewb now, and I'm also gonna practice Skewb while judging, I guess while waiting.
It's there.
We're having the odd seats first, so if you place 1, 3, 5.
So yeah, although I didn't make it to round 2, I actually made cutoff, and I was able to actually finish the average, and I also got my PR as well. Although anything's a PR if it's your first time doing an event, I guess. So yeah, I think this competition was pretty good. Although I didn't have really good results, I think just the fact that is in like a recreation center or something like that kind of adds a bit of fun into it. And the mystery event was also what kind of made it really interesting as well. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.